Welcome to the tutorial on SSCR Error Code 45. The purpose of this tutorial is to explain what SSCR Error Code 45 is, what causes it, and how to resolve the error. Per the NSLDS, SSCR Error Code 45 is caused by an invalid address. SSCR Error Code 45 occurs when a portion of the supplied address is invalid, such as an incorrect state code. To resolve the error, update the address information to reflect the student's correct address, including the required fields of address 1, city, and state. If the address is unknown, populate these fields with UK for unknown. Please note that when UK is used, NSLDS will accept the address but will not store it. Now we will go over how to review and correct a student record. To resolve SSCR Error Code 45, first access the SSCR Error Report by logging on to the Clearinghouse's secure site. After logging in, go under the Student Reporting tab, and once there, click on the Enrollment Reporting link. On the next page, go under the NSLDS Reporting tab. This will bring you to the list of SSCR error reports returned for your school, with the most recent reports at the top of the list. Click on the hyperlinked number under the Number of Students with Errors column to access the list of students with errors. This will bring you to the list of students with errors. Click on the hyperlinked SSN for the student with error code 45 that needs to be corrected. The next page will show the student's editable record. Update the address information to reflect the correct current address for the student, or to UK if the address is unknown. Pay special attention to the state field. If this field is blank, it means that an invalid state code was present on the record. After updating the student record as needed, click the green Submit button to send the record to the Clearinghouse for processing. For additional assistance correcting SSCR Error Code 45, please reach out to us at sscrerrors@studentclearinghouse.org.